Hey everyone, it's Charlie. I haven't given you guys a tour in quite a while. Today is already August 20th or something. I think it's been a month. But it's getting down there. We've harvested most of the garden really already. But the zinnias here have come out and they're just beautiful. Along the edge here, along the electric fence. And the tomatoes have come in pretty well. The sunflowers are beautiful. Also got this big sunflower down here. It's pretty nice. Nice big pretty sunflowers are in. Over here we've got, this is basically a pumpkin patch now. You can see it spreads out for quite a while. We got one big pumpkin in here, hiding under the leaves. And actually there are a bunch. Can't really see them, but I can count probably 5 or 7. Here's another one. Here's another one. Hiding in here. They're ripening up. We had an incredible cucumber harvest. I had to give like 3 or 4 bags of cucumbers, maybe 5 bags of cucumbers to the food bank. They're just awesome. We made as many pickles as we could. But this fence full of cucumbers has just been amazing. They just keep coming too, you know. So we put up this fence to help grow these cucumbers, and it's just been a bumper crop. We still got a bunch of little ones growing, you know. Kind of the tail end of the year now. So we've been picking beans like crazy. I had to give 6 or 7 bags of beans to the food pantry because we just couldn't process them quickly enough, which is great. You know, we love giving food to the food pantry. It's definitely part of giving back, which is great. Over here we've got, in the pumpkin patch, we've got a bunch of squash too. So you can see these butternut squash coming in. And there are bunches of them. You can see them kind of over there in the leaves. You see there are some bigger ones over here, not quite ripened up yet. The gladiolas are pretty much done for the year, but they were beautiful. One thing that was a lot of fun is I found a little watermelon volunteer from last year, and these are the biggest watermelon we have ever grown. I've got to pick that and bring it home actually. I picked another one that was smaller. So there are, you know, 1, 2, 3, got one in the truck, 4, 5. There's another one over there, 6. So this little volunteer watermelon here has been incredibly productive. And here's the neighbor's broccoli. You can see most of that broccoli is already flowering out on top. So we picked most of the broccoli. I had a really good broccoli dinner yesterday though. I picked all the onions. There are still potatoes in here, and really they're ready to be picked. This is the potato root here, and you see underneath it the potatoes are ready to come out. So they're still kind of small, but we canned over 25 quarts of potatoes last week. Allison did. I've been keeping our broccoli pretty well clipped here so it won't flower out. You can still pick stuff off of it. We haven't picked any of these onions yet. These were a green onion row, and they look like they're getting about ready. The jalapenos have been coming in handy for the salsa. You see the see here the Roma tomatoes have been coming in pretty well, and I've made, I don't know, 35 or 40 quarts of salsa already this year. We have a whole bunch of these green peppers, which I didn't even know we had planted. I thought these were all jalapenos, but some of these are also other kinds of peppers. And then the carrots have been coming in. This whole big row of carrots, they're still pretty small. I'll see if you can see me pick one here. You see they're looking pretty good, but they could use a little more time. And I don't know, that's about it. Everything's looking good. We're sort of struck by the blight with the tomatoes, but we've been getting some, which is great. You know, this tomato plant is got a lot of green tomatoes on it. I probably have to make green salsa out of them because some of them are being hit by blight, but they look good. So that's it. Getting to the end of the year. Maybe I'll give you one more update. See you later.